Hello guys, I'm Savvy and welcome to my channel. This video is different. So in this video, we will be sharing our experience about a staycation and it's really close to Delhi. So this is one Airbnb as you can see in my background. So this is called Country View Hill Road. I will share all the details in the description box below. So what really happens, we all know that the city life really gets hectic and especially the COVID situation was so difficult for us. So we all want to take a break, and especially if you want to take a break with your family, with your children, with pet and not in a very crowded place, then I think this Airbnb is a perfect choice. There is so much space, as you can see. We all love this. So this is a 4-bedroom huge property and there is a lot of space for all of you if you are coming with your family, with your friends, with your pets. And there is kitchen also, so you can cook your own food, and there is caretaker. You can ask him also to cook your food in case you are not interested in cooking. I saw so many birds. You feel like you are surrounded by birds and there are so many trees. It's right in the middle of the nature. This one over here, this is the terrace area. I particularly love this place in the morning during the sunrise time. It was magical. You can have a view of the property and then beyond the boundaries. I would say that terrace is my favorite over here. Wow, this is just outside the property. I think this is perfect, hai na? So this one is a gated property. So once you come inside from the main gate, look at this. You have a path like this. There are trees on both the sides and it's like gate-like structure made by the trees. Look. They have a really nice book collection. Huh? I think I'm going to settle in here. This is my place. So there are a few cute corners over here, and if you like the collection of books, you will really like it over here because they have some of the collections in the room, some of the collection downstairs. I think it's really great if you love reading books. There is a kitchen garden. I think that's very interesting for many of us. And as you can see, that is the front of the property over here. There is a parking facility also. This is a gated property. So it's like in the middle of the jungle, but it's very well protected, I guess. So there are walls and there are all the wires. So I think you are safe inside from the wild animals. But however, you are in the middle of the nature once again. That's what we all are looking for these days. I think I'm already hearing the birds. There are so many birds. I saw kingfisher, I saw green parrots, and there are so many, I don't even know their names. So there is a lawn area in the front side and there is a huge lawn in the back side as well. So you have the huge property all to yourself. And then you have all your time, so you can enjoy reading a book or edit a video or a photograph, or you can cook, or you can do nothing, have a great time with your family and friends. Kitchen garden I was talking about. I'm really excited about this one. So this one over here is the carrot, and I can see garlic, ginger, coriander. It's really cool. So it's already evening time right now. As you can see over there, it's time for bonfire. And we have heard that there are wild animals which come really close to the property, so we might hear them, who knows. It's already getting dark. This is January month, so it's a little cold. Soon my family is going to join me over here, and I think we are going to enjoy dinner over here only because it's really cold. So when I look around, the trees are looking really scary, and the birds, they are still here. A little far I can hear some jackal, and I might hear some bear as well. Are you able to hear the sound, by the way? Look. So we were deciding for the dinner tonight, and so as you can see, the bonfire over here, and there the cook. Hey Mr. Cook.
I'm just warming up.
बहुत भाव खा रहा है because he is going to prepare some chicken for all of us, and he is, I think, just chilling around. He's not doing much. He says it's just the warm-up phase. And since in this property you can only cook veg inside, so we have done some setup outside to cook the chicken. So it's really cold, but thank God we have bonfire. So cook, are you ready?
I'm not ready yet. I'm warming up.
I hope. Okay, so I hope he really cooks a nice chicken because I'm really hungry tonight.
नहीं, अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो ऑप्शन नहीं है मेरे पास कोई. जंगल में रात को 12 बजे और क्या मिलेगा, जो बनाए खा लो.
But he has expertise in that, so I'm sure the dinner would be nice. Oh my God, my eyes.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's prepare a very good dinner with the help of Savi.
Huh? With me?
प्याज कौन काटेगा?
Oh God.
चिकन बनने में अभी टाइम लगेगा मैडम, थोड़ा सब्र रखो, अभी तो प्याज ही पड़ा है. अच्छा बाय द वे, बाहर तेंदुआ जो होता है लेपर्ड, उसकी आवाज़ें आ रही थी, तो मुझे लगता है कि आज जब चिकन बन रहा है ना बाहर, तो स्मेल सूंघ के आ ही जाएगा, अंदर ही घुस जाएगा.
Oh man.
But thanks to the boundaries of this property, we are safe. लेकिन मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि जब चिकन बनता है तो सैवी तो 7 समुंदर पार करके आ जाती है, तो लेपर्ड के लिए एक बाउंड्री कौन सी बड़ी चीज़ है.
Shut up.
धनिया पाउडर, हल्दी डाल देते हैं, थोड़ा सा लाल मिर्च डाल देते हैं. वैसे हरी मिर्च तो मैं डालूंगा, नमक तो डाल ही देते हैं. थोड़ा नमक तो जितना डालोगे कम ही पड़ेगा अभी फिलहाल. तो ये तो हो गया. एक सीक्रेट मसाला है जो मैं वीडियो में नहीं दिखाऊंगा, अब वो मैं अलग से डाल दूंगा. फिलहाल के लिए इतना याद रखो. और मेन डिश देख लेना, उसका टेस्ट सभी बता दी कि कैसा है.
And it's not only non-vegetarian, we are cooking some veg also. Not me, Anky. Really hungry, so I cannot wait anymore. I have to say, Anky is a really good cook, and if you are cooking at home, this is a great choice. कैसा लगा खाना?
मैं नहीं बनाया, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. अपने हाथ का बनाया वो खाना.
guys, fitness is very important, and these days it's not a very wise idea to compromise on health. You have to be fit, you have to be strong, so don't compromise on that. And in this property you have all the space. So as you can see, this property is a perfect place if you are traveling with your pet. So my doggy is really happy here because she has all the space over here, and I think she is having a great time as well. Nancy, it's time for us to play. Nancy, chalo, chalo, chalo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Chalo, chalo, ho gaya khelna. Chalo. So you won't listen to me? You won't listen to me? She won't listen to me. She will just do as per her wish because she knows इसी के लिए trip बना है, and she's getting all the attention. I think that makes her happy. So it's lunch time for us. Actually, I'm enjoying the sun over here. As you can see, my doggy is having a great time as well. So there is kitchen in this Airbnb property. So you can cook your food over here, and there is caretaker as well. So you can tell him your preferences and he can cook it for you. And here I'm having simple vegetable pulao, and it's really, really delicious. So guys, we enjoyed a great time in this property with our family. I hope you would love it over here as well. If you enjoyed watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications.